Gotta go ahead and say that this is not financial advice, but let's go ahead and get this thing started and dive straight into this video. Dreamers, in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you could generate an extra $1,000 a week or $4,000 a month on your LEAP options on NVIDIA. Now, I know I gave a lot of examples on QQQ and SPY, the S&P 500, but I'm going to show you guys actually what I've actually been doing with my LEAP options on NVIDIA to generate some extra income every single week. And I'm going to give you guys step by step in this video on how you could generate around $4,000 a month. This strategy is called the poor man's covered call. Once you learn the strategy, you are literally giving yourself a raise. You're giving yourself a raise just from learning this simple strategy that I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let me hear you guys go ahead and say it. Give me the loot down in the comment section, because I'm about to show you guys how to get to the loot. But first, while you down there in the comment section, go ahead and hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because right now we're at 22.7% of you guys, which is insane. This is the best community on YouTube. Right now on YouTube, that's saying that the average is 10 to 30%. Let's get to 30%, because the quicker we get to 30%, I'm going to help you guys out by doing, you know, Apple, Amazon, Tesla, whatever kind of giveaway you guys want me to do with any of those shares. I could do that for y'all, because you guys are the best community on YouTube. So go ahead in the comment section, hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell, because it's literally free. And you can help out this channel more than you could possibly even imagine just from doing those simple things. All right, dreamers. So to generate extra income, I'm going to show you guys a strategy called poor man's covered calls. Now, I've been running the wheel strategy, right? And the wheel strategy so far this year, up until October, has generated me around $37,381. Hopefully by the end of the year, I could get somewhere close to $40,000. That means it'll be a pretty good year for me. Now, I've been using the wheel strategy. That's selling cash secure puts. That's selling covered calls. Sometimes I do put credit spreads and call credit spreads and buy LEAP options. But once you buy your LEAP options, you could do something called poor man covered calls. And that's been helping me. The poor man covered calls have really been helping me a lot. Boost this number up to around $37,000. And I've been doing it down here. I could show you guys on NVIDIA or NVDA. You guys can see some of the income I've been doing down here. My poor man cover calls. I'll show you guys everything that you want to learn. But let me show you guys the real example right quick on NVIDIA. All right, here we are on my Robinhood account. I think we had a pretty good week, around $3,000. The month was pretty decent, around $8,000. And then the last 3 months was pretty good, $62,000. But let's take a quick look at NVIDIA right quick. In fact, let me show you guys right quick. Okay, so here we are on NVIDIA. I have 4 LEAP options on NVIDIA that's about to expire in a couple of months. So I've been selling cover calls right now. You guys can see I have 4 LEAP options. Their market value is at $38,240. And I'm in profit 203%. I gave the dream team this play a long time ago, and it's been printing me money for a while now. I'm up $25,633. So what I would do with my LEAP options, I'm going to make my LEAP options pay me rent, especially now that I'm near the end of my contract. I don't mind selling my LEAP options at a profit. Now pay attention. I'm going to show you guys step by step after this. I'm showing you guys what I've been doing out here. Trade. I'm going to go to view our options. I'm going to go out a week to November 7th. And then let's look for a 0.3 delta. Maybe, yeah. So this is a 0.25 delta. If I wanted to hold on to my LEAPs, I'll look for like a 0.2 delta. If I was really aggressively trying to sell my LEAPs, I'll look for a 0.3 delta. So I'm somewhere in the middle of aggressively trying to sell my LEAPs since they're about to expire in a couple of months, and kind of still want to hold on to my LEAPs to just let them ride for a little bit longer. So I'm going to look at this 0.25 delta to look to sell my LEAPs at $210. Right now, NVIDIA is at $202. For example, let's look at the $210 one, because if the delta is at 0.25, usually I'll keep it a little lower, but since I'm at the end, it'll be what it is. So the last trade, the market value is $164. So I'm going to hit sell. I'm going to type in $164. And then remember, I have 4 LEAP options on NVIDIA. So I'm going to hit 4 right here. That means next week I should be able to bring in $655 selling a poor man cover call on NVIDIA. So if I take 655, multiply that out by 4, that's an extra $2,640 in a week. In a month. just from premium, right? Then if NVIDIA goes up to that $210, it's going to be even more profit that I would make from my LEAP options. So it's going to generate me around $4,000 a month if it goes up to the expiration. All right, so let me walk you through, you guys, step by step on exactly how you could generate an extra $1,000 a month. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to buy LEAP option. Let's go out a year. We're going to look for the December 18, 2026, right? This is the first step. We're going to be buying LEAP options on NVIDIA. And let's just buy one for now, for example, and then we can multiply it out to see exactly how much we need in order to bring in $1,000 a week. So when I'm buying a LEAP options, I like to look for deltas anywhere between 0.6 and 0.8. So let's look at the 193 and see what that is. Yeah, that's a 0.66 delta, so that's fine with me. So this is saying that buying a LEAP option is saying that we want NVIDIA to be more expensive a year from now than it is today. And we want to aspire out a year from now, because anything longer than a year, we get taxed at long-term capital gain. If we sell it at underneath the year, we're going to get taxed at short-term capital gain, and those tax brackets is two completely different things. Trust me, I learned from it. You guys should learn from it too. All right, so this is saying that we're betting that NVIDIA is going to be higher a year from now than it is today. So we'll hit continue, and we'll just buy one of these. It'll cost us $4,720, even though the market value is at $4,600. $4,600. That's where the market value is. Yeah, so it will cost us $4,600 to buy one of these LEAP options on NVIDIA. So now that we have this LEAP options, remember, when you're dealing with options, it's like saying that you own 100 shares. So now we're acting like we own 100 shares. And since we're acting like we own 100 shares, we don't actually own 100 shares in NVIDIA. By buying that LEAP option, now we act like we own 100 shares. So now we can start to sell covered calls from our LEAP options, acting like we have 100 shares. Now, when we're selling covered calls, do we have 100 shares to sell? No, we have an option that's saying that we want to buy 100 shares. So now that's why it's called the poor man covered calls, because you're not actually selling 100 shares, but you're selling your LEAP options. So let's scroll out to $210. That's a 0.25 delta. And it's going to give us, we're going to sell a covered call saying that NVIDIA is not going to be above $210. Our break even price right here is $211.60 because we're still getting a premium. And that's going to be $161, I believe, was the market price. So now we could make around $161 every single week for the next 52 weeks on NVIDIA. So how many LEAP options on NVIDIA will we need in order to generate $1,000 a week? So let's say 8. No, let's try 6. So yeah, we'll need 7 LEAP options on NVIDIA in order to generate an extra $1,126 every single week on NVIDIA from doing poor man cover calls. So it was costing us $4,600 to put in 1 LEAP options on NVIDIA. We said that we're going to need 7 LEAP options. So it would cost us $32,200 in order to buy 7 LEAP options on NVIDIA, to where we can sell poor man cover calls and generate an extra $1,200 every single week. And if we're generating an extra $1,200 every single week in a perfect world, multiply that by 52 weeks, we could bring in $62,000 in a year from our LEAP options. We pretty much paid for our LEAP options, almost double paid for our LEAP options. But of course, you're not going to be selling 0.25 deltas at the beginning of your LEAP options, because you want your LEAP options to run. You'll probably be selling a poor man cover call at like a 0.15 because you want to hold on to your LEAP options. But if your LEAP options ever go into the money, then you could just roll them up and out as far as you can, and then just let your LEAPs continue to run up. And it's a win-win scenario. If you ever have to roll up and out, that is a win-win scenario. If you're confused about what that means, this is a very, very simple breakdown of the wheel strategy. If you guys do want to learn more, consider joining the dream team, where I hold out Zoom calls every single Sunday. It's 3 spots remaining, and the best part, guys, right now it is half off, and you can join my Zoom calls every single Sunday, where we talk about the wheel strategy, poor man cover calls, cash you get puts, put credit spreads, call credit spreads. You'll have access to my courses, my video courses, and you'll also have access to all of this. I have 7 day traders in there that post their option trades every single day. So if you guys do want to be a part of a community, if you guys do want to invest inside yourself, I'm gonna leave a pin link down in the comment section. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you guys want to scan the QR code right here. If you guys do want to learn everything that you need to learn about poor man cover calls, everything that you need to learn about the wheel strategy, how I've been generating so much money, you guys might want to check that out. Invest inside yourself. I know you want to be financially free because you're watching this video. I wanted to be financially free at 1.2 as well, and information is out there for free, but information is on my channel for free. So if you guys do want to just roll through my channel, guys, do that. Just keep hitting that thumbs up button. If you do want to be a part of this community, right now it is half off if you guys do want to check that out. But yeah, guys, that's how I've been generating an extra $500, $600, $700 a week from my NVIDIA LEAPS. I wish I had more LEAPS. About next month, I'm going to be selling like 0.3 deltas to generate even more money in premium. Can't wait for that to happen. But once I sell and take my profits, then I'll probably be looking to set up more LEAP options in the future on a couple other stocks. But yeah, comment down below if I confuse you in any way. I can't wait to see you guys down there in the comment section. If you made it to the end of this video, you already know what to do. Comment, give me the loot, and let me know if you learn how to get the loot in this video. But if I confuse you, ask the question down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to you first, especially if you hit that notification bell. If you hit that notification bell, then you probably already see this video and you comment on this video. It's not going to be a whole bunch of comments down there, so I will reply to all the comments because you guys are the best community. But if you come in on this video 3 weeks, 4 weeks down the line, hit that notification bell because we on to bigger and better things by then. But I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. So make sure you hit that thumbs up button, hit that notification bell. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bring you Dream Green Conversations, and I'm out. Peace.
This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute financial advice. All investments are risk. Do your own research. This is not licensed financial advisor. Any third party considering falls under the fair use commentary and analysis. Please consult with a licensed financial advisor or professional in your area before making investment decisions.